So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to expand sound, video and game controllers. You want to find your audio driver, so this one's mine right here, Realtek R Audio. Once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. If the best driver has already been installed, then you want to go back and click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. Then you want to install the second one and then click on next and then install it to your computer. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't restart it yet until you complete the next step in the video. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. And then you want to find your speakers. You want to make sure that it says default device on it. Click on set default right here and then the green tick will appear. Now once you do that, click on OK. Now once you complete both these steps, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.